welcome back to work, Tyler. While you were gone, I had to carry in all of these rotational puzzles all by myself with no help at all. That's exactly what happened.
Yeah. Sure.
So we've got a few new puzzles by Yu Asakara.
No, Yu Asaka.
Yu Asaka, that's what it was. Yeah, these are kind of the hotness in the puzzle industry right now.
Jigsaw Puzzle 29, that's the big one. For everybody trying to get it off the Puzzle Master website when it sells out in, what, 2 hours?
2 hours, something like that. Yeah, you might have seen Chris Ramsey's video on that one too.
Yeah, the what do you call it? The Breaking Bad kind of thing that he did. So this puzzle has, what, 5 corners? 1, 2, 3...
There's one.
4...
number 5.
There we go. Number 5. 5 corner pieces, and Jigsaw Puzzle 19, which I did, it is all corner pieces. So 100% corners or 5 corner pieces.
Yeah,
I like that Jigsaw 19. That was fun, actually. I enjoyed doing that one.
Yeah. This one I think was a level 10.
Yeah, level 10.
And then this one was a level...
Jigsaw 19 is a level 9.
And then we got this this Wave 7.
7, yeah.
Which is made of these... It comes with 6 pieces in the frame with 1 extra piece, and you got to figure out how to fit all of them in there.
So yeah, it's like essentially filling in all that dead space, so you got to be like efficient with how you pack it in there.
Cool.
That one looks neat. I actually haven't played with that one a lot.
I don't think anybody has. It's the first one that we've opened, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's this puzzle. It's called the Nosy puzzle by Anteater Toys. And so it's very similar. It's got that same kind of clear pieces that you can see through. And then we figured out this actually, so pull up the other ones there. So it's got 2 of these green pieces. They're exactly the same. It's got...
There's 4 of these yellow ones.
4 yellow ones.
Exact same.
Yeah. 2 red ones that are exactly the same. And this puzzle is called Nosy.
Yeah. And then this orange piece.
Yeah, and it's just a single orange. So the puzzle's called Nosy because of these like nose-shaped pieces on here. I guess so it looks like a dude with like a long, big nose jughead or something from Archie. But yeah, that looks like a neat puzzle. And I think
you're supposed to fit them in the frame here too.
Yeah, so we played with this one actually quite a bit at Puzzle Master here, and nobody has solved it yet. So it's a pretty difficult puzzle.
Yeah, they say it's only 6 out of 10, but the Puzzle Master has played with it and he can't figure it out. So
we always like when he can't solve a puzzle. But yeah, so that's what I still haven't tried Jigsaw 29 a whole lot. But we did put one Jigsaw 29 aside here that we're not selling, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to do a Facebook contest or YouTube contest, some sort of giveaway on our social media platform. So that should be coming out in a little while here. Hopefully do some sort of fun giveaway, something that everybody's been looking for. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. There's another one by Yu Asaka too that we didn't look at called some sort of ice thing, right?
Oh yeah, we sold out of that one.
Yeah, that one's gone. So when we're making this video, it's not on stock here, and unfortunately we didn't set any aside. So yeah, that's some of this cool stuff from Yu Asaka.
Yeah.
Yu Asaka. So yeah. And this is our little segment here. So we're going to be shooting more of these videos, me and Tony. So my name's Tyler. His name's Tony, or what do you want, Anthony? Tony.
Depends who you are. You can call me Anthony. My friends call me Tony.
Yeah. So Tyler and Tony. So yeah, keep an eye out. We'll be doing more of these videos. We did our first one, I guess, last week with the
Thor's hammer.
Thor's hammer, yeah, the metal Thor's hammer that came in. So take a look at that and keep an eye out for more stuff from us. And try to get your hands on a Jigsaw Puzzle 29.
That ringtone, eh?
You dropped it.